Maddy and Jimmy.
It's been an amazing week. It's been an exciting week. It's been an emotional week because we have had to say goodbye to our first team on Lego Masters. They have been beautiful, absolutely magic to watch, Jimmy. In fact, one of their first build, being the Turtle Island, is probably one of my favourite builds on Lego Masters to date.
Yeah, you can't stop talking about that.
I really can't.
Damn Turtle
I
Island.
love turtles.
Why don't you marry the Turtle Island?
And maybe I will. And I'm just so rapt to have with us right now, Annie and Runa. Thank you for joining us, girls.
Thank you for having us back.
Oh, it's such a pleasure. And thank you. We've just loved watching your amazing builds this week, including that epic dragon in the cave exploding situation. And of course, your beautiful mermaid. We've just loved watching you guys work together.
And it's been quite emotional having to actually watch it for the first time, I think, because obviously when you're experiencing it, it's one thing. And then when you see yourself on screen, you're like, wow, could have done a few things there.
We know the feeling
We know the
very
feeling.
well.
We're like, oh, if only I did that, or if only I changed this. And it's so weird. And we are just so proud of you guys. It's so awesome.
We are. And speaking of that turtle, guys, your first build, which was magic, where did your inspo come from? Is turtle one of your spirit animals? I'm very excited to know.
Yeah, when they started talking about a whole new world, I really kind of got into the creation myths ideas, and the island already looked a bit like a turtle, so it worked really well in the spur of the moment.
Runa, I got some Discworld vibes in that, the giant turtle with the world on top of it. Are you a Discworld fan?
Yeah, I am a bit of a Discworld fan, but also of general mythology in some different cultures as well. The turtle's quite a prominent theme. So, yeah, definitely got some inspiration from those types of things. But, yeah, just the fact that the island looked like a turtle, it was perfect.
What would you say is your greatest takeaway from being on Lego Masters Season 2?
Being better friends with Runa is my best takeaway.
No.
Oh,
So gorgeous. I love that.
Yeah, we certainly, you're put under a high-pressure environment and you're given the most incredible challenges, and it's a really stressful environment. So if you're with someone, I guess you can't help but bond over what you're doing. So our friendship definitely got stronger.
Oh,
And then we got to go home and cry about it. That was great.
Don't worry, we were crying every single day when we were on Lego Masters.
It was so much emotion. And that's the thing you don't realize. Like, it is so much fun and you're having a ball doing it, but your emotions are so heightened. The pressure is so heightened. And, seeing Brickman break down as well. Oh my God, it just gets you in the heartstrings. Like, it's full on. And, I think one of the first things I said is I've never cried over Lego until now. And I think I cried every day.
It's a pretty special show when the judges cry when you guys go. Did you guys choke up as well?
Yeah, there was a lot of emotion. And I think also because all of the contestants, we're really good friends as well. So it was kind of that moment where we all suddenly realised that actually it is a competition. Some of us do have to go home. We're not just all here to have fun.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't think you ever see those sort of tears on Married at First Sight.
No, they're tears, but not nice tears.
It was so nice because when we were eliminated and we were standing there in the suspenseful moment when they say, it will be you going home, I kind of just awkwardly mumbled, if I could have a hug, please.
Aww.
And the entire cast descended on us and gave us this massive group hug against Runa's wishes. And it was magnificent.
That's beautiful. I love that. And it's really apparent. You can see in the cast already, only a few episodes in, that you all just really, really, love each other. You've got each other's backs. Like, I know when a few things broke throughout a few of those episodes, people were running over to help. And I think that is something that's so special about the Lego Masters contestants, is you are a really strong, tight group of friends, which is lovely.
Now, speaking of all of that niceness, sadly, you guys have had to say goodbye, and there will be more teams saying goodbye until there's one team left. Who's your hot pick for the Lego Masters Season 2 champ?
It's really tough because everyone's so awesome.
Yep, I really want to see girls up there in the final, but part of me thinks that Jackson and Alex might take it out.
Jackson and Alex kind of have this really awesome creativity that's been setting their stuff apart. So I think there'll be people to watch.
Can't wait, guys. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Maddy and Jimmy.